What is up, YouTube? Look, it's been a minute. It's been a minute since I posted a Doordash video for you guys, but we are out here. We are out here in the slowest month of the year when it comes to door dashing, and we're still dashing because that's how we get it. That's how we grind. I don't play, man. Still got to make that money regardless. But look, Saturday night, our first order was $11. Second order is for $9. $20 right off the rip. You know what? That's grade A stuff right there. I'll take that. Taking that right now. Have a great night. Let's see if we get that hidden tip. No, we didn't. We did last time though. I thought I only made $11 last delivery, but it was actually 14, so that's pretty flag. Up to 23, 25 on 2 deliveries. I just pulled up to the third order, and I just gotta say that tonight's just been banging, man. Like, I'm 3 for 3 on great orders. I haven't had a shitty order yet. The first one was 14, second one was 9. Now this one's $7.50. I mean, it's just a banger night so far, if you ask me. The next order we're going to is McDonald's for $5.75, and the destination is like kind of like a mile or 2 away from the restaurant. It's not. I hate McDonald's. I think you guys know that by now if you've been watching my channel. But I mean, we'll take it. It's really not that bad. We're getting the $1 per mile, which is honestly just kind of the rule I've been following recently. Like, if I'm making less than $1 per mile, I usually decline it. That's what I've been doing for like the last week, and it's been working out for me pretty well. And I was able to maintain my top dasher on top of that, which just goes to show that my market's pretty healthy when it comes to tipping. I mean, I don't see a lot of $2.50 orders or the $3.50 orders. I mean, I'm not saying the minimum, but I mean, the lower orders are usually around $5. That's the low ball order range in my market. So, but this one's $5.75. The last couple orders we've been taking, all of the orders we've taken tonight have been great. So, I mean, we have a little bit of room to wiggle when it comes to mediocre orders like this. Honestly, that's pathetic. For real. Just got done dropping off that McDonald's order. We're now heading over to Maggiano's. You know, good old Maggiano's for how much was it for? Let me check it out. $8.50. That's my best Italian accent. But look, just another order that we just don't have to decline. There goes my phone, dropping it in the black hole of crease. But just another order that we don't have to decline. Where am I going? I hope I'm going the right way. Hold on. And honestly, look, the first hour we were able to hit $30 an hour. We might honestly be able to hit another $30 an hour. Say that 3 times fast. $30 an hour. $30 an hour. $30 an hour. Yeah, F with me. But we might be able to hit it 2 times. We might be able to get $60 in 2 hours, which is just, you know, only top dashers like me are able to get money like that. So subscribe if you want to, you know, learn from the best. Apparently, this Maggiano's is in Chili's, which is a first for me. I thought It's Just Wings was in Chili's, not Maggiano's. But I guess this Maggiano guy, he's taking over the market. How's it going?
What's the name for your order?
Michael. All that waiting around at Maggiano's, aka Chili's, was worth it because there was a hidden tip inside. Instead of the $8.50, it was like $12 and something, like $12.50, something like that. Now we're heading over to Checkers for $5.75. we're going to be $5 short of that $60 2-hour mark, which is kind of devastating. We were so close. But yeah, on to Checkers. On my way to IHOP right now. Can I just rant to you guys real quick? I don't know what is worse, Checkers customer service or McDonald's customer service. It's really a toss-up because they're both just terrible. Just the worst, man. Like, there's nothing. I've worked in fast food. I worked in fast food when I was like 18, 19 years old. Granted, that was like 10 years ago, but I know that there's not a single thing on the menu that takes over 10 minutes to make. Like, nothing. So when you're sitting there for 15 minutes at one of these fast food restaurants, there's just something on their end that is going terribly wrong, because there's nothing on the menu that takes over 10 minutes. There's just nothing. I mean, I think the longest something takes is like maybe like 7-8 minutes, and that's like the chicken tenders or like a chicken patty or something you gotta throw in the fryer. Just like something big and that you have to throw in the fryer. That's what's gonna take the longest. And maybe some like McDonald's cookies. Those things take forever. But no, they're still not over 10 minutes. So if you're sitting 10 minutes over at a fast food restaurant, I mean, there's reason to worry, because something's happening back there that shouldn't. That's all I'm trying to say. And it's like, and then it makes me feel like the bad guy, because I have to get on them and be like, hey man, come on, let's go. Like, but in reality, it's like that's what they need, because apparently the manager in there doesn't care either. Because I mean, back when I worked, I mean, the manager, I feel like, was on top of us for being, you know, trying to instill a good work ethic. I mean, granted, it was a fast food restaurant. It's like, still, but there's like no leadership in like any of these places anymore. And it's just it's very evident, very just out there for people to see. Because we're clearly watching them work too. So, I mean, that's like another thing. It's like you go to like a Mexican restaurant, you don't really see them working back there. They're probably working hard, a lot harder than fast food. I'll give them that. But like fast food, you go and then like you're watching them work in the kitchen as well. So it's just like cringeworthy. But maybe this rant is cringeworthy. I don't know. I'm just tired of waiting 15 minutes at Checkers for some chicken bites and fries. I mean, come on. It's like ridiculous, man. I'm trying to do my job here. Well, I just made it to the IHOP, and they told me that they don't have any milkshakes or Coca-Cola or just any soft drinks in general. And he only ordered 2 milkshakes and a hash brown. So I called him up, and I was like, look, dude, I mean, they don't have 2/3 of your order, and the only thing they do have is your hash brown. Do you want to just cancel the order? And he said, yeah. He's like, oh, that's not going to charge me. And I'm not sure. I mean, I'm not sure if he's going to get charged. I don't think he should. I mean, be really stingy of Doordash if he does, but knowing Doordash, he probably will. But hopefully he doesn't. I don't even know if I got paid for it. The order got canceled, and my dash says $0. It might be in my earnings, like half pay. But whatever, man. What a stupid delivery. What is stupid last hour. The last hour has been terrible, let me tell you. Yo, finally, I've been waiting here for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I just got a double order going to the same location for $12. I mean, that's why they call me Top Dasher Zach, because they give me orders like this. I don't know like why all of a sudden it seems like DoorDash is just like, here's some extra money that we're not going to tell you about. It's like, I appreciate it, don't get me wrong, I always appreciate more money, but it's like, why don't you guys just be more upfront? Why is everything got to be hidden now? Like, here's an extra hidden $2. Like, just like, I guess, I mean, I guess it makes sense, you know, because, you know, people would be declining them, you know, originally, because those were both $6 orders. So I know on the Facebook decline group, they only take everything over $7. So maybe that's the way to combat that group. Maybe they just hate that group, which would make sense. But yeah, I just thought it was funny. So instead of $12, we made $14.50 for that double order. We just made it over to Walgreens. This order is for $9.25, and it's only picking up one thing. She wants earbuds, or actually not earbuds, AirBuds. I'm sorry, the AirBuds Air 2 True Wireless Earbuds. One count. How much do these cost? I don't know. It's like people order ridiculous things on DoorDash, I swear. Alright, let's go get them. This is the only thing I ended up picking up, which I just honestly find hilarious. They look like pretty good earbuds though, I'm not gonna lie. I gotta go drop them off at the hospital. Alright, after running back to the house real quick to grab a quick milk break, you know, I drink a lot of milk while I'm out here dashing, because God forbid anything happens to these bones while I'm putting the city on my back, keeping these people fed. Like, who knows what would happen, man? I keep my city in order by door dashing. I'm pretty much their hero. So while I'm over here keeping their hero well supplemented with some vitamin D, you know, I get blessed with a $3.25 order. I mean, I can't ask for anything else. I love it. I'm gonna take it because why not? That's what heroes do. We just got done doing that order from Wendy's. That was only for $3.75. It was $3.75. Now we're gonna take this order to Wendy's, going 5.5 miles for $8.75, which is honestly significantly better. All right, let's do it. 3 minutes away. Yo, there is a whole herd of pigs. There's probably like 50 of them. About 50 pigs right off the highway, Martin County Highway. Oh, I wish I can get closer. There's probably about 7 full-grown ones with about, I don't know, I want to say about 20 babies. CG Hog Hunters, where you at? Quick update, it's 1:19. They're sending me over to Carrabba's for $9.50. Well, I think me and you and everybody and your mama knows that Carrabba's is closed at 1:19. So pretty much I'm just driving over there to go let DoorDash know that they're closed, and they're gonna give me half pay. So I mean, it's pretty sweet. It's a pretty sweet deal. No traffic on the road either, just clear sailing. It's only like a mile away. See you there. Y'all tell me. I mean, it looks pretty close to me. I mean, unless I'm living in another dimension. All right. Let me take a picture of this for DoorDash. You know, I'm happy that they still do this, you know? It's just easy money. It's like they already know too, because they didn't even ask me to take a picture. It's just one of those, thanks for letting us know. It's like, all right, thanks. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the $4. In the craziest turn of events, DoorDash sends me back to the restaurant that they just sent me to like an hour ago, and I told them they were closed. So now, I'm just sucking more money at DoorDash because they just keep sending me to the same closed restaurant. It's insanity. But, you know, I can't really complain, because it really does beat actually doing the whole delivery. I'll take getting paid to just drive to the restaurant all day, any day. So here, look. Let's do it. Arrived at the store. Is it for the same guy? It might be. I don't even remember what his name was before. But store closed. Thanks for letting us know. They're not even going to ask me to take a picture, which is weird. Because usually they ask you to take a picture. But it's like they must know. Because they're just giving me the money without even asking me to take the picture. It would just be insane if in 20 minutes I come back here. For real. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It was a long one, but worth it. Our grand total today is $215.25. Which honestly, how long did it take us? 3, 4, 5, 9 hours to get that. So 215 divided by 9. We averaged $23 an hour, which for a Saturday night is I wouldn't say great, I wouldn't say bad. It's somewhere right in the middle, maybe above middle, medium rare. That's what today is. It's medium rare. That's what we're going with. But it really capped it off tonight because I got a $40 tip for going back to Wawa and just grabbing a couple more items for this guy. I paid out of pocket, but he paid me that and then plus $40. So that was really nice of him, and it only took me a couple extra minutes to do that. So well worth it for a $40 tip. So thank you, guy. But all in all, it was a pretty good day. I'm driving my mom's car right now. My car is broken. I'm saving up. I need to get a new car. Probably gonna get a beater for now, since car prices are so extraordinarily high. Unless you guys wanna, flood, not only this video but all my other videos and get me monetized, because I need 4,000 hours of watch time. That'll be much appreciated. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are already subscribed, and if you're not, please hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that like button, hit that bell to get notified every time I drop a video. And you guys have a great rest of the weekend, man. Have a great night. Peace.